I want to show you the advantage in really understanding your analytics and something new on LinkedIn. So when you're in your profile, you go to the analytics section of your profile. This kind of gives you an overview of what you're going to see in the analytics. But let's click here, and it gives you a week at a time. So let me just focus on this particular week ending January 28th. Now, it gives you a number of different things here. Post impressions, followers, profile viewers. All of these are important. Search appearances. If you have a newsletter, it shows you if your subscribers are up or down. What I want to focus on in this video is something new under search appearances. So we click search appearances, and what I want to show you that's new that I find is really helpful information is LinkedIn is now showing you where people are most seeing you, okay? And why this is important, because in this example I'm showing you, 50% of the people that are seeing me through comments on posts. So what does that mean to you? Well, commenting is an important part of your content strategy. Now, secondly, 37% of the people that are seeing me in the last week are through posts that I've made. Again, showing you the importance of posting content on LinkedIn if you want to be seen and found for your expertise. Lastly, network recommendations in last week comprised 6.8% of the viewers of my profile, and 5.4% were found in search. So this information really can give you a lot of details as to where people are finding you, and you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Now we scroll down, and what you see next are some of the top companies that these searchers of your profile are where they work. You can also drop down and find job titles of your searchers, job titles that I was found for. So why does this matter? Because this is really brilliant. If you possibly need to update the title on your LinkedIn profile, you'll find what people actually are searching for and how they found you. This is very great information to have so you can make adjustments, okay? The next section, LinkedIn is giving you some tips as to how you can get more profile appearances, okay? So it's giving you some tips here. And lastly, what I want to point out here is don't forget to see who's viewed your profile. This is very important information. I use it all the time. I typically will reach out to people who have viewed my profile that I don't know. So if you have a free account, LinkedIn is showing you the last 5 people every week that have viewed your profile. If you have a premium account, you know that you can see everyone who's viewed your profile over the last 90 days or more. So this is valuable information, and I wanted to point out where I think this is really key to measuring some KPIs for your business.